pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna see if we can fix it. Okay, so we've got the computer open. We want to remove this piece right here, which is the graphics component, the GPU. All right, so we got the logic board out. It's kind of big. And this is the GPU right here. We're gonna have to remove, and there it is. Theory is that the connections between the PCB and this GPU, over time they wear out. And into the oven she goes. Okay, so the timer's done. And hopefully you can remember what screws go where. Okay, and now you put it back together. Add some thermal paste. All right, so we got it back together mostly. Let's see if it works. Have a good time. Let's see if we're successful. Turn it on. And there it is. It worked. Fully functional. There she is, beautiful as can be. Looking good. I gotta plug the fan in the right spot though. Not spinning. But other than that, she's happy.